In this presentation, we shall see the epidemics and the homeopathy. Various epidemics faced by humanity. We will see various epidemics faced by humanity. We will see what is meant by pandemic and how it differs from the epidemic. And we will also cover the moments of creation of homeopathy. Now, what is an epidemic? The word epidemic is of Greek origin. Epi means upon and demos means people, population or community. The diseases might be sporadic, that is, few cases of disease are scattered here and there. Or there are epidemics, that is, the same type of illnesses affect many people at the same time. And the disease is said to be endemic to a certain area when it shows large number of cases of a disease over a time period in a particular area. We will see the few examples of few epidemics faced by the humanity. History has shown that mankind has suffered a number of epidemics throughout the centuries. Mankind has not only suffered at the hand of epidemics, the epidemics have shaped the human history in one way or another. Why do many people in the population suffer from similar diseases at the same time? There are germs, of course, viruses, bacteria and protozoa. Plus, we may say that they share similar air, water and climate, same epoch, similar mindset, particular to the time and similar habit pattern. What is a pandemic? So, pandemic is an epidemic of a massive magnitude. It is spread over a vast geographical area, encompassing the entire world at times. This massive and all-encompassing nature of this phenomenon of pandemic calls for some unusually large-scale measures like lockdown in case of current pandemic like COVID-19. There are also other measures like quarantine. They are there historically since Middle Ages. Epidemics. Now we will see the epidemics where homeopathy has helped. There is close relation between the homeopathy and various epidemics. Before looking into the epidemics helped by homeopathy, it will be curious to see that its moment of creation was through famous cinchona bark experiment by Dr. Hahnemann, as we all know, which in itself was the remedy of the time for epidemic of malaria. Cinchona was the remedy for the malaria. In 1801, Hahnemann published the prophylactic action of belladonna, which he had discovered due to his keen observation. And we will see one more epidemic that highlighted the use of homeopathy. Typhus epidemic of 1813, the rise of homeopathy. In this epidemic of coronavirus or COVID-19, which is going on currently, we have seen massive surge in the use of homeopathy for prevention of disease as well as for the treatment. It was used in this epidemic in the large scale by laity, royalty as well as by government of many states in India. But it is not the first time homeopathy has helped the epidemics. More than 200 years ago, homeopathy had helped humanity in the treatment of epidemic typhus. The excellent rate of cure had helped in the establishment of homeopathy. And we shall see more about the epidemic of typhus and how homeopathy helped in the part 2.